Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the very good notification guys. So it is a permanent lecturer post from the different government colleges under the State Public Service Commission, and eligibility is the undergraduation. Here the post graduation or the UG Senate or the PhD is not at all required, okay, and that is not mandatory too. And the pay band is a grade pay, that means 15,600 to 39,100 rupees per month, plus grade pay 5,400 rupees is available. So on the whole it might be the 50,000 rupees plus per month. So we are going to see the details regarding this notification in this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UG Senate paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UG Senate electronic science as well as the general paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account guys, and I provided this link in the description box of this video, so please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Rajasthan Public Service Commission. So actually it's released on 23rd November 2020, and here the lecturer vacancies are there from the 7 departments, that is the civil, mechanical, electrical, physics, English, chemistry and mathematics. So among all this one, the 39 vacancies are there, and here you can check down the number of vacancies as per the departmental wise and as per the caste category wise. General category SC, ST, OBC, MBC and the EWS. Okay, so for your reference purpose I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. And coming to the educational qualification, bachelor's degree in engineering or technology in the relevant branch with first class or equivalent. If the candidate has a master's degree in engineering or technology, first class or equivalent is required at the bachelor's or else the master's. Okay, or first class master's degree in appropriate subject with first class or equivalent at bachelor's or master's level for a teaching post in the humanities and the sciences. Okay, so here the UG Senate qualification is not mentioned guys. While coming to the engineering and technology, the bachelor's degree is enough with first class. If in the bachelor's degree the first class is not there, then at least in the master's degree the first class must be there. Okay, so the candidates with a bachelor's degree and with the first class, there is no need of master's degree also. Okay, and here the grade point and the equivalent percentage is given here. Coming to the humanities and the science department, the master's degree is required guys. The first class in master's degree is required, and the working knowledge of Hindi and written in Devanagari scripts and the knowledge of Rajasthani culture is also required. And the pay band is mentioned 15,600 to 39,100 rupees per month, plus grade pay is also available 5,400. And the age limit not less than 21 years and not greater than 40 years. And the age relaxation is also available here for the SC, ST, OBC and the backward classes of the Rajasthan state, 5 years. And coming to the economically weaker section, 5 years. And coming to the SC, ST, other backward class and more backward classes of Rajasthan state women candidates, 10 years. And widow and divorcee women, there is no upper age limit. Okay, so here the few more instructions are given here, so you may check down. Okay, and coming to the application starting date and the ending date is 28th November 2020 is the starting date, and 27 December 2020 is the last date. And here the different websites are also given here, so you may check down all these websites. So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So by simply clicking on these links, then you will be directed to the official website. Okay, and the application fee is given here 350 rupees, 250 rupees and the 150 rupees. depending upon the caste category, and the selection based upon the written test as well as the interview. So the written test for the post of the lecturer, 75 marks, the subject concerned with the post paper 1, and the paper 2 is also 75 marks, subject concerned with the post, and the third paper is 50 marks, that is the general studies of Rajasthan, total 300 marks, and the interview carry the 24 marks. Okay, the syllabus shall be specified by the commission from time to time, will be intimated to the candidates within the stipulated time. Okay, so these are the instructions, guys. So please go through this one carefully before applying to this one. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and for more notifications please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.